Good morning and welcome to the Chart of the Week video with me, David Madden. Today's date is Thursday, the 30th of July, 2020, and the time has just gone 11:40 British Summer Time. On this week's Chart of the Week is the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. And if you take a look at the wider trend, from late March up until now, we can see it's been a nice upward trend. And in fact, yesterday, the Australian dollar, US dollar, hit its highest level since April 2019. So it's clearly in a strong and very much bullish upward trend. We're currently trading in around 0.7141. If we do look to press on higher from here, we could be looking at targeting 0.72. And if we go beyond that, we could be heading up towards 0.73. And keep in mind, we haven't seen that area since early 2019. So keep an eye out for those levels to the upside should the bullish trend continue. But if we do see a move to the downside, where could we potentially encounter support? We could potentially encounter support in around where this line is here at 0.7031 or from there down to around 0.70 itself. 0.70 is, it's a big number. So this band here of around 30 pips, this zone here could act as support should we have a move to the downside. And even if you go below there, support could be found from this blue line here, the 50-day moving average. We can see a few months ago, back in April, the 50-day moving average in mid to late April acted nicely as both resistance and also as support. And if a metric has been important in the past, it makes it more likely it'll be of importance in the future, but obviously there are no guarantees. And even if you go below the 50-day moving average in a 0.6922, this zone here around 0.68, we can see on a few occasions in late May, into early June, enacted there's some consolidation in around that area, so keep an eye out for that area as well. Now, if you are going to be trading any of the Australian dollar crosses, keep an eye out for what's going on in metals. The Aussie dollar, the Australian dollar often gets referred to as a commodity currency, so it's the movement of the currency often gets dictated or moves in correlation with the movement of metal prices, because Australia is a large exporter of minerals. So keep in mind that in the last couple of weeks, part of the reason why the Aussie dollar has been strong, recently we've seen copper prices at their highest level since April 2019. Only yesterday we hit, very recently we saw platinum hit a 5-month high, and not too long ago silver hit its highest level since 2013. So metals are clearly strong, and that's part of the reason why the Australian dollar has been very strong recently. Also, if you are going to be trading the Australian dollar, US dollar, or any US dollar crosses, keep in mind that today at 13:30 British Summer Time, we have the US advanced GDP reading for the second quarter, and we also have the US jobless claims. That's all from this video. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and good luck.